welcome back to Madilicious. Today I am making some zucchini and squash meatballs. Now, these zucchini and squash meatballs actually don't have any meat. They are completely vegetarian, and they can be vegan if you'd like. You just don't have to add the egg or the cheese. So I'll just take you through the ingredients. So here I have some shredded zucchini and squash. I used 2 large zucchinis, 1 large squash, and I just grated this with my cheese grater. I kept the peel on as well. Here is just some Parmesan cheese, okay? Love, love, love the Parmesan cheese. Garlic powder, you want lots of that. Medium size egg, some onion salt, okay? And lots of Italian seasoning, yes. So, also, almost forgot, I have the breadcrumbs, okay? You really don't wanna miss out on this. The breadcrumbs are great for this dish. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and take a dishcloth thing. So this is nice and clean, just got out of the dryer. Take the zucchini and squash shredded, right? You want this to get as dry as possible, right? You see that wetness? Now, what we're doing is we're baking these meatballs, so you don't want any of the moisture to be in the meatballs when you put them in the oven on 375 because they're only just going to steam. So you can see that it's just running out already. So we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze. You see that? Look at that. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorite parts whenever I make this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's right. Okay, and you can see that it gives it a nice little color here. It's almost like what you're juicing, right? Just by hand. All right, so give that a nice squeeze. You have to have some arm power for this. Whenever you think that all the liquid is out, there's always more. Move all this mixture into a nice big bowl. Now that we have that, this is nice and dry as we could probably get it. And that's what you want so that they will brown nicely. Now let's go ahead and just add in everything. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and crack the egg. There we go, add that in. Very nice. Garlic powder. And you can use garlic cloves as well. You can use minced garlic, whatever you like. Garlic powder is just easier. It's what I have on hand right now. In goes the onion salt. Okay. Gotta have the Italian seasoning. All right. Breadcrumbs. It's already smelling good. And Parmesan cheese. My 15-minute basil marinara sauce is what I'm gonna have this with. I really don't want the egg on my hand right now, so I'm gonna use some gloves. Mix everything together. All right, let's get in here and mix. And look how nicely this is combining. This is exactly what you want. For it to combine nicely. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing. Now, oh my gosh, and that's how you know it's seasoned too so well, because you can just smell everything very well. And also too, the way you know that you added enough breadcrumbs and egg is by the way that it holds together. See how nicely this is just holding together? Perfect. So you can either use an ice cream scoop, or you can just form them right with your hands. I'm gonna just form them right with my hands. Thought I would use this, but not going to. I love, love, love working with my hands when it comes to making this kind of texture food. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put these meatballs onto my baking sheet, okay? And then we will be back to place them in the oven on 375 for 30 to 35 minutes. And then we also want to flip them about halfway through so they can brown nicely on the other side. Now our zucchini and squash balls are going into a 375 degrees preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And at the 15-minute mark, we'll be flipping them. All right. All right guys, so the zucchini and squash balls are now out of the oven. They've been out of the oven for about 10 minutes, and I just want to show you just how nicely brown these got. And look, these aren't breaking apart, right? Because they are so nicely cooked. Look at that. They smell absolutely phenomenal. I want to show you what the inside looks like, all right? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? Oh my, it looks like meat, right? Smells really, really good. All right, so I wanted to show you guys that. Okay. Now, what I was telling you about earlier, my 15-minute basil marinara sauce is going to go right on top. Can you see that? Oh, it smells so, so good. Nice and hot, right? Look at that. Do you see that? Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Cannot wait to dig in. Let's put a little bit more sauce on it. All right, so let's dig into this. You can also sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over it. There is Parmesan in the zucchini and squash balls, but hey, do whatever works for you. All right, oh my gosh, look at this. It cuts just like a regular meatball too. I'm gonna show you the inside again. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything here. Oh my gosh, I want a big piece. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna eat half of this meatball. Get a little bit of everything. You guys hear that sound? It smells so good. Like I can smell the zucchini squash ball through the sauce. It smells so good. Wow. Wow. I mean, I made this before, but every time I've made it tastes so good. The texture is perfect. It's just like regular meat, right? Perfect. Absolutely phenomenal. The flavor, I really taste this garlic powder in here, right? Tastes like fresh garlic. I can taste the onion salt. The Italian seasoning just sets it off just perfectly. Oh my gosh. I don't think I need to go back to meatballs. It is so good. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Cooked it perfectly. Cooked it for 35 minutes. And it was perfect. So, recipe down below. Follow me on Instagram. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to go enjoy my plate of faux meatballs. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye guys.